So you've already built your position clock reading graph, and you notice it's curved, which is great. And what we're going to do is we're going to start to analyze the velocity. So we're going to insert a column here. We're going to call this V for velocity. And the units will be, our position is in centimeters, so it's changing some amount of centimeters in 1 second. So we'll come down here, and what we want to do is we want to find the average velocity for one of these clock readings. And we'll do it for each clock reading. So let me show you how this works. You're going to go up here to your settings again and use a curve fit, and instead you're going to use linear. And part of the linearization of this is to find the slope. So this doesn't really mean much to us at this point, but what I want to show you is we have y equals mx plus b down here. So the a value is our slope. So I might record that at -31. But this doesn't tell us a whole lot about that. Just notice this point is unchecked. So I'm going to check it again. That changes the slope a little bit. But here's what I'm going to do is we're going to uncheck all of these. So we're not going to use them all in our analysis each time. Okay, now that I've all of them unchecked with one of them checked, or 3 of them already checked. So I'm going to uncheck this one. And what this tells me is that the average velocity between these two clock readings, 0 seconds and 0.01 second, the average velocity is 310 centimeters per second. 310 centimeters per second, which tells me that that is the average velocity at the clock reading 0.05. So I'll go up here and I'll find 0.05 and I'll type in here 310. I'm going to continue this pattern. So I'm going to uncheck this one. Now I have 1 here, and I'm going to find the next one. Okay, so I've already done 0.05, so the next one is 0.1. So the slope or average velocity between these two positions, or these two clock readings, is the slope of this line at this clock reading, which is 260. So I'll go up here and type 260. I'm going to continue this pattern by clicking every other one. Okay, so once you have your data set up, so I've analyzed all of the points, you're going to want to change your graph, and you want to change that to the velocity clock reading graph. And I failed to uncheck all my points, but easy fix. And there will be analysis for this of what it all means.
Go ahead and subscribe, that'd be great. Or you can go ahead and check out my next video. Take care.